In this video, I will be restoring this 1969 Hot Wheels Redline twin mill. You can see it was pretty beat up and had extra paint added. So it'll be stripped and repainted purple. The car on the left is an original rose-colored twin mill. This is not the car that I restored, but I'm going to use this just for comparison so you can see the difference between the restored car and an original. The rear tail light section on the twin mills, the upper portion was painted in a kind of a slightly off reddish orange color. And what we'll be doing with the purple version is adding this detail to the back of the car. The car is completely restored. I used the original Redline wheels, but I painted them silver. This is a US version, so I used Model Master from Testors, a chrome silver paint, which is pretty close to the original color that was used on the US style wheels. Now the rear of the twin mill has a couple sections in the back which are painted. These are just above the casting line, so I used Testors flat Grapefruit is the color, and I think this is a pretty close match for the original Redline color. So these next few shots will show the completed car with a comparison to the rose-colored twin mill.